Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. In previous class, we completed identifying correct order for acidic character of the compounds. Now see the basic character. What is the correct increasing order for basic character of the following? Here 5 compounds are given. We should identify increasing order for basic character. First of all, what is basic character? The capacity of electron pair donating is called basic character. Any substance can donate electron pair, then we can say it has basic character. If it donates easily, basic character is more. If it cannot donate easily, basic character is less. So electron pair donating capacity simply called basic character. Now in all these given compounds, nitrogen having lone pair of electrons, so this lone pair can be donated. But in addition to NH2, here different groups are present: chlorine, methyl, OCH3, NO2. Here no other group. In this way, different groups are present. How these groups affect the basic character of these compounds? See here, first one, I am taking this fourth compound. Fourth one is NO2 group is present at para position with respect to NH2. Para-nitroaniline. This is para-nitroaniline. This compound I am writing in this way: benzene ring and NO2. Already we know that two types of substituents are there: electron donating, electron withdrawing. Which group can increase the basic character? Electron donating group. Electron donating group is present, then basic character is increased. Electron withdrawing group is there, basic character is decreased. Here NO2 is a electron withdrawing group. Withdrawing group means its basic character is less. So here NO2 minus I, NO2 group exhibits minus I effect of NO2 and minus R effect of NO2. Then what happened? Basic character is decreased. Basic character is decreased due to electron withdrawing group. This is a electron withdrawing group. Next, another one, take first compound. Chlorine is present at para position with respect to NH2. This chlorine also having lone pair of electrons, and with it can withdraw electrons from the attached benzene ring. So minus I effect of Cl we can observe here, but plus R is not considered. Plus R is not considered due to ineffective overlap of 2p orbital of carbon and 3p orbital of chlorine. So this carbon having 2p orbital, chlorine having 3p orbital, both are different orbitals, so their energy is different. That's why effective overlapping does not take place. Due to this, we need not consider plus or effect, positive resonance effect of chlorine. We have to consider only minus sign, negative inductive effect of chlorine. Negative inductive effect means chlorine acts as the electron withdrawing group. In this case, it decreases basic character, decreases the basic character. But between this compound and this compound, it has very less basic character than this one, because here two groups are acting. two groups are operating, minus I, minus R. Here only one group. So it has very less basic character than this one. Next. Second compound, say this CH3 group is present at para position with respect to NH2. CH3, we can write as Me. CH3 means it exhibits positive inductive effect. Positive inductive effect of CH3 and another one hyperconjugative effect of CH3. These two effects increase the electron density. So basic character increases. Basic character increases. They increase electron density. That's why this compound can donate electron pair easily compared to this compound and this compound. Next one is, say this OCH3 group is present at para position NH2. This is OMe. OMe is nothing but OCH3. Here two types of groups we can observe, that is minus I effect of OCH3 and plus R effect of OCH3. Minus I effect means it can withdraw electrons from the attached benzene ring. That's why we can observe negative inductive effect. Plus R effect means oxygen is more electronegative element, so it can attract the electron pair towards itself. Positive plus R effect means oxygen having lone pair of electrons, it can donate lone pair of electrons. So both are working in opposite direction. Lone pair of electron mean donating electron pair means towards benzene ring electron density increases. Minus I effect means towards this group electron density is withdrawn. So these two effects are operating in opposite direction. In these two, plus R effect dominates minus I effect. That's why its basic character is more. Very high basic character for this compound than remaining all the compounds. This and this and this. In all these four compounds, it has more basic character because electron donating substituent is there. And another compound, fifth one. This is third compound. Next, fifth one. See here, only aniline, no substituents. Only aniline NH2 group is present, no withdrawing group and no electron donating group. So nitrogen can donate electron pair. Its basic character is more than compound 4 and 1 because here these two are electron withdrawing, NO2 and Cl. So its basic character is more than these two and less than these two. Okay, so finally what is the order? Correct increasing order. Increasing order means lowest to highest. Fourth compound less than first compound, less than fifth compound, less than fifth compound, less than second compound, less than third compound, compound 3. So see here option is not suitable option, then we can change this one. Yeah. So see this fifth compound, fourth one less than first one, less than fifth one, less than second one, less than third one. So this is the order. Fourth less than 1, third greater than 2, greater than 5, greater than 1, greater than 5. So option D is the answer. Here increasing order means lowest to highest. Here decreasing order. Suppose if we consider decreasing order, then our answer is option is correct. Correct decreasing order for basic character, highest to lowest. Option D is the answer.